Welcome to your daily dose of Carolina bass. The SpaceX Starship prototype blasted off the launch pad at 8:33 a.m. on April 20, 2023. The powerful blast of the engines produced a dust cloud that covered Port Isabel, Texas, about 6 miles away, and it also broke some concrete structures of the launch pad. Large concrete boulders were ejected in ballistic trajectories that produce impact craters on the soft ground in a mechanism similar to the one that formed the Carolina bass. This is an image of the dust cloud produced by the blast of the 33 Raptor engines of the Starship. Huge pieces of concrete were blown away along with the dust. After the Starship rose above the cloud of dust, it flew for 4 minutes before it exploded. The launch area was severely damaged. Pieces of concrete from the blast-off covered the ground, and the fuel storage tanks were bent like empty soda cans. Some impacts made craters deep enough that caused the concrete projectiles to burrow within the cavity. This image also shows that the water table is about half a meter below the surface. This is another image of the adjacent craters. In both cases, the concrete chunks bounced outside the impact cavity and landed on top of the raised rim. Using the volume of a sphere and the density of concrete, we can estimate that the concrete chunk with rebar weighs about 1,204 kilograms. That is about 1 ton. The kinetic energy is 1/2 the mass times the velocity squared, which corresponds to 589,909 joules. The next episode has a surprise.